I'm going to answer the question what many people have. How do I know when my Anker Soundcore 2 is fully charged? Now here we have the Anker Soundcore 2 speaker, and let's pull the rubber bung out the end here and plug a USB-C charging cable into it. As you can see here, I have a red steady light. When it's red steady light like this, this indicates your Anker Soundcore 2 is charging. If you have a red flashing light, this means you have a low battery. It's still charging, but it's indicating you do have a low battery. Now, in our instance, we have a red steady light. When it changes from a red steady to a steady white light, this means your Anker Soundcore 2 is now fully charged. Now, if you're plugged into a wall socket with a 2 amp charger, it should take around 3 hours. It will take around 6 to 8 hours if you're using a phone charger or a USB port in a laptop, for instance. So, hopefully that answers the question, how do I know when my Anker Soundcore 2 is fully charged?